Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi qhelelelele sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikaMaminzela isigodi qhelelelele hayi bekumoshakele ngale weekend esibuya kuyo ngeke ngafikelwa ile sasaga sabelungu esithi you cannot let a good man down sithi
System zero aveile jwa mapagapaka hey kore ha no tsore fela ai ayo mathela.
Yeah, it was tough. It was tough. It was not easy. Anybody could have won that game. So in that, I like the statements of Coach Pirates when he said, I thank my technical team. The fitness trainer Pirates can win game Pirates. After the fitness trainer, the coach himself, with his technical answer, if you want to see how Pirates killed the game, all the substitutes, if I can just name them, look at Mabasa, Kenya scorer, look at Muremi, look at Apolis. Apolis, the goal taker fell on a little, so three of them. Utemu. So, Wabonor, by winning came here, by winning ko benching, by Kisa came in. From the bench to the game, and then they win the game. That's how they played. According to Na, the bench won the team a game.
Then the new coach, at least to Sanale Kapule.
I liked what he said. Arkibata more Rivera ceiling thing, Kibatlo isapili mo. Tinto kaba yense kaba so Julie Kimewan. Yalo fitle kag mondo hai batle imuluzisa span. Imuluzisa team. But now that Habu ile kamlo mo hayori, Kibatlo isa Rivera na yesa. Kimo kiboning tengor wata no.
Yeah, no, I will congratulate Mapagania Mapagachu plus actually he's so right. Kafela tse shooter mo two cameraman the sound presenter ke Mapagania because every time we do lo ringwa ka ona Mapagania le no ne re botsa coach a ra e bona game ya Sundowns ke sho lwena ba e bona
akiri tlape ne ki shebile ke ya Saturday ne ke khathetse mabane ke plomile di groundong ke shebile di tournament ya di Kroko. Just because of my health, I left the grounds early and came back home ka tlorobana.
O ka re ka infonyano re da di groundong di Kroko no dlala tsefe ai
ka ke di Kroko ba bua ka mabitso a di tavern ke tseba bo Mamji bo Elisa ke betsa shawela una le engwe ya ko Mdeno zora ba ke hlanganani una le ya ko Mirafi Hostel. Hey, I like those boys. Oh,
no, the lady tavern.
Yeah,
get on at the croc or
that's what made me Kiskatara. Kabikita was a runa, but Wava Uluda, because River Ulu the legends, but Karbatala into another thing and the Matangaulu, Narsa Hono Matas Cantonati.
So, Basha and Nelly tournament.
It was the top 8. I'll be lying because Kakimamchi, we lost 2-0. But I won't say who won the final because I was no more there.
All right. Mr. Mzara, tampele gada so go bafana bafana. Le manager ai game ele no ke batlo tseba from wena hantle re we bone ele jwang cause na usually I saw Ryan ka rene re batla di goal no tshwantse nga bo kene goal tse paya da mara no di re hlotse.
It's not an easy walk to be to Nigeria. Whatever Nigeria li runa I say okay ba mnati game ya teng. And Uskali they want to prove a point against us, we want to prove a point against them. So what I like Karuna, Neritseri di no names. When I say no names, arna bafana ba tswang ko ntle ska bona ba tlang ba patwa ko ntle the most. Neritala ka bombokasi ntwana tsa kasi. So that's what I like ka coach ya runa, like I've said before. Una li confidence ya use ya runa, development ya runa. That's what is winning in games. That's why he's playing well ka ntwana tsa runa. Ntatole le robitsa na stress or mounting ma. How ani so una li wa kenyang yena no.
Yeah, because usually le no ke bone kore nna ke tse bore wena o reng gore ele ke goal or e kene ka letso ne netball or ne le soccer.
Netball. How am I saying netball? One, the linesman was sleeping. Narobi the linesman.
Yeah.
And then the referee himself Naimi Kamum. That's why I get Paul because the referee no I'm so Tuesday we keep on me. Haramati. Walker and then Bali 2. Hane na VAR. Nesi goal into it. because upalame udima motho I pusha ka letsogo ya tshwara net. Referee because game nearly fast. Le yena ba fast to super center, which was not a goal.
Hey. So Mr. Mzera Kibleman ka utlwela mo le saiteng o re tlotlela re sa shoot re lweno bile wa ba referee.
If I'm not mistaken, when I started refereeing, it was in 1981. Re sa kopanela ko Orlando Stadium. Isa bitswa Johannesburg Referee Association. Re na le bo maphiri o ranang Safa Soweto, I don't know where, I'm told. So they were happy. So by then, no limnati da. We used to enjoy. Need the referees know he's less than 30, but he's more than like an old man the way he officiates the game.
So when I know the referee, I corner na lo sheba game referee o a engara ba mo pele o. When I know the referee azange wa bana di team tsereng, hey Mr. Mzera wa tshwara something yana man o re winnise.
Na ke sa reva. Na mone ki jateng ki ko Mzimhlophe hostel. Di tournament tsa rane di tshwarwa ke nna. Yeah. And the envelope ne fitlela o mme wa ka that day on a Friday. Ingwetswe le bitso la tlap re ke tlap efe. So nane ke ya groundong ke tsebo re ke mang o tlo winang. Ne itse monate wa game that time. Ne se ya no ya di linesmen tse o itsang di mistake o di referee.
So orbele story wena no etsang da aba so qeta ba qeta ka that envelope so ya da ko gaming so wa tseba re team e tshwantse ke win se ke ye grand utlo reva jwang game e
ne ke etsa sure or the game ya ka ya flow first 45 minutes come second 45 minutes ne ke khono o etsa player e tseng o re raga ole because most of the star players ne le pilo tsenyane and to retaliator and then ane ku shaka red card smart o be le di out tsa di bonora eno e deserve because ra tsebo ra re ntshitse mchini e fedile sa tsa makolo ya sa di
yo Mr. Mzera wa ke o rebetse ka di dintsa di coach marno tsa di referee I mean marno yona this thing ya di referee I feel yiso cause ne rena le coach le ena man o itse o batla o chaela o na le story sana le nsona sa mo gaming wena o reva mo tshong right ya ngaro mojele no re tlo thola ba maybe let's say are next week kwana mo re tlo thola ngore hantle ho etsa etseng da o tholo rena o tshalo rena mojele kante ke ena o entse mistake ska wena o tshore di game tse no ja ka tsona ke tsa Mzimhlophe
o tsebo di referee tsa ikasi di mieste diske ya di edlala ska rona nna phela don't forget I played soccer I refed I managed the team so ntse ka ofela dia batlahala you understand so I was once a GS ya Safa Soweto we understand so it's about everything ya polo so the referee ngata whenever he fails to win the game o batla ntwa tlo lanka yona and there's nothing else but the referee so baba even if you give him a whistle lori offside ke ya o etsa etseng a tsebe bona bana le ntore motho ali one ka kwa ke offside and ha o ka sheba di offside tsano the linesmen they are the pick up sheba bontsho di referee tsano most of them ba faith and the liskali bala gents most of the coaches we have now ba ile skolong ba lo bala bolo a idlala di referee tse paya no ha di aya ground ba bala di buka pasa thola certificate se di referee. Look at Nigerian game the referee costed South Africa a game that was not a draw. Pirates South Africa win 1-0 clean. Look at Pirates first leg against Sundowns.
Yeah
you see the goal that Pirates scored of was this boy was running too much this boy Munchwa Pirates
yeah Sibelebe
utswile arabatho emathelo because ufit wa gym so the linesman banu robets ha bona fela mntu ahlaya la check uri uhlayele kana kwe right or playing right just because we won urusile batho I check uphamisa flag
are offside
kele ball ya Sundowns ya Pirates this team by jileng 3-0 there was a penalty there bolo ile litsong la motho despite the fact that he didn't take the body but most of the referees any handball in the box they pick it up it's a penalty he didn't pick it up but because the boys ball they knew that their time will come and it came and then all the goals were clean there was nothing about it baba bang bosituma ngabanye nabashebile nane bashira ali offside or penalty all the goals were clean and square. But with the referees, everybody because of Utsebo Balabuka, Obatoba referee. o tseba ba la buka o batla ba coach rona ne re botsa o tla di coach re no dlala ingwe o tseba eng ka disk
oh ko toro no hona le baba theory hona le baba practical
ska rona ba practical
yeah but luna ke sure le theory ne never ele hlole or le kene mo cause bona how cho ke ka understand or bona ke baba sha theory fela ba e bala hi
ba qetwe e bala jena ngole o ba ntse o ya tsibo crema ndo sudem a pass ba certificate sa ground
ene o bana di rules tse baya tse tlang buka ile ha sampane di buka ile ya gae ska now ha ba lore ba reng goalkeeper e gona thola yellow card for keep the ball for long
yes no nersa ner urna ibile nesa span linto ya no goalkeeper tsara pole robale ne sa le yo rona so di kala di change no di ntho tse ngata
di change ke nyugo or di change ke skill ho etsalang ntle
ke tla bua maka because ke yo VAR re buile ka yona e bile ya fela jara re tlo kena second round next month I so hlaeli but anyway ya thusa mo ba bangata ba bang ya ba ja ba bang ya ba winnisa so if we had VAR South Africa versus Nigeria there's no goal there
alright ara le wa Mr Mzerewa
mfethu mamela kiri mawabane ke shebeletse bolo ra Reverend Ntwana is below 20, 25. He's like an old man. He can't even run. He makes a decision where Mika play ka 18 area. On Saturday, yaki fit at the ground. Kishebeletse anyani. Mutu emali one just because the polo ki square say goal referee bita or washaba referee miko 18 area ka just because una lintralo na referee decision is final alkara sa referee tlapa itlontsiwa so that's why kile ka decide ki hule mra because now I was always fighting with the referees because ke aitseba ke dale so that's why Shakes Mashaba na bore I don't like ure how only player ube coach because you expect the players into itsibang wena never yets yena
thank you
sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikaMaminzela isigodi.
Hi, Coach. I hope you're good. Coach, when I was doing my research, I just found out that there was a tournament that was playing the last weekend. I just want to know about the tournament that was playing at the sports complex and which team that won the tournament.
Oqala ngithanda ngibulisa abalandeli bebhola ababukeli kanye nama-viewers wethu. Ama-games ebewadlala eMletsane izolo ama-games aqale I think some weeks ago Hollywood regional games like preparation pre-season for teams lawadlala ku-Hollywood which is ESAP so izolo boku-finals bokuyi-team siqale ngama-team ayi-10 ngasho nje ngiqale ngama-team ayi-10 and then ama-games bewadlala la kaMloyi kaGodfrey Mloyi and then amanye adlala eDlamini so the following week ayodlala kuphi eZola njengoba benifika last eZola kudlalwa bokuyiphari yalawo ama-games lawo and then up until azaphelele eMletsane bokama-finals izolo ama-final akhona bokuyi-Mike Stars neMapetla Youth igciniwe noMapetla Youth izolo ngama-penalty nakhona bokushubile bokukubi kakhulu.
So, Coach, since it was a tournament, so Blue Sky Eagle was the part of the tournament too?
No, thina sesaluza I think the tournament makala kwe-tournament yes luze la kaGodfrey Mloyi so azange sakhona ukuchubeka ne-tournament.
So please tell me this. Did you lose on penalty kickout or on direct goals?
No, sesaluza egaming.
So, as a coach, which mistake that you picked up when you were playing in this game?
No, inkinga ku-pre-season games kaningi asibheki as coach kakhulu but into esiyenzayo nje uku-assessa ngoba most of ama-player anew yabo so kaningi asiyuzi lama-player lawo besiwayuza previously kwi-previous season esiphuma kuyo but sizama ukuthi sinikeze lawo ama-trialist i-opportunity ukuthi azibonise ukuthi eze nani anani and then yeah so ama-results kakhulu asiwabheki kangako yabo, but siyazi akekho ucoach ongathandi ukuwina ama-games. So siyalwela ukuthi siphushe nathi, at least masiphume nama-results-ke hayi bonus for thina as abo-coach yabo.
All right. Thank you, Coach. We've been having a nice conversation. So please tell me this. Which tournaments that we must expect this coming holidays?
Yeah, well, ngithi ama-tournament akhona azodlala, ama-tournament akhona manje azodlala, ngithi kulama-team amakhulu. Kune-tournament ezodlala ngathi eka-Vilakazi Games, e-Snake Park, makuvalwa ikolo, but under 23. Yiyo i-tournament sometimes ongayikhava ngoba most ama-under 23 yila ama-scouters vele abakhona yabo uku-scout ama-player lapho kulawo ma-tournament afana nalawo. So and then amanye ama-tournament engingasho nje ngithi anamandla manje nje so far noku-September kanje. Okay, uyazi everywhere kuya-organize ama-tournament like Protea Clan Community Games akhona, Protea Clan Extension 11, nakamafanta ngathi kunama-games azobadlala futhi nakhona wama-juniors most. And then bese kuzoba yila ama-tournament ezayo wango-December, festive games like Tsatsa Games, Mahlobo Games, Discovery Games, and then yeah, yiwo ama-tournament amain azayo waka-December.
Oh, what a lovely name, Blue Sky Eagles. So tell me this, Coach. Is it Blue Sky Eagles going to participate on all the tournaments?
No, it all depends ukuthi esime kanjani. Ngoba ama-activities esiba nawo etimini maningi kakhulu. So sometimes sinokubheka i-main tournament bese sifocusa kuyo ukuthi like njengoba bokuvalwe ikolo June, siyazi ukuthi hayi main focus yethu maybe makuyi-Siphiwe Shabalala ne-Tsatsa Games, and then we prioritize, we take one of them. Asilweli ukuthi maybe sihlale ngapha bese sihlala nangapha futhi exhaust abantwana. And then sometimes nalaba abancane futhi uyazi nabo banida i-attention. So if ever singena kwi-tournament, maybe singena kwi-tournament efuna ama-division wonke, maybe like i-tournament ezo-cater ama-under 13, under 15, under 17, and then nama-open maybe or ama-under 20 kanjalo. So kuba easy for thina na for ama-logistics ne-traveling, into ezifana nalezo bama-transport ngoba siyazi ukuthi sidlala kwi-tournament kwi-ground eli-1 uyabo. So akubi stress ukuthi abanye badlala kuleya tournament le maybe Glen, abanye badlala la eTsatsa uyabo, and then thothi abanye badlala kwi-tournament yakamzala, so kuba into ehlangahlangene uyabo.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Coach, for the information. So, could you remember that we talked about Bafana Bafana game? And I said it can happen that Nigeria, it got its own football stars. Most of South African fans, they were expecting goals. So, as a coach, can you please give us your views?
No, it came with be very tough. It came. Well, Nigeria, as being shown previously, we last episode was Kulmangayo, which I angeke be easy. Nigeria, I'm a player at best. I'm a player good. Most of them are player are overseas. We have compared to Tina. Tina says 100% local. So, but at least we have a game of two halves. Machitazanga zazibeke phansi according to the way labantu beba approach game yakhona physically, and then they came stronger, and then na tactically futhi bahlakaniphe kakhulu yabo. So but at least sikhona ukuthi sibavimbe kuwo wonke ama aspect we game.
Let's talk about TLB, the 19-year-old boy.
Yeah, ayombokazi ayodlale kakhulu umbokazi yabo, into besiyisho na last futhi yabo ukuthi at least i-development yethu iza nga-something yabo, ngoba uma ubheka vele most if ever kuzoshayina ama-player wama-under, it means i-DTC yethu is doing good yabo, nama-credit kumele sibanikeze nawo abodukuduku laphayana abashaya isipani.
Our best defender in South Africa, even Nigeria, as a country, they call him Mbobo Kalazi.
South Africa, this is your Mbumbo Kalazi of a guy. Oh God, Jesus. Yesterday I was even scared of Mukwena. Yesterday, Mukwena was the person I was scared of. I didn't know that there's a guy who was calling Bombo Kalazi. Bombo Kalazi turned Luke man into Luke Girl yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm talking to you right now, if you go in South Africa, inside the pocket of Bombo Kalazi, you will find Luke Girl inside. I even learned yesterday that this idiot is 19 years old. 19-year-old guy. 19-year-old pocketed the current best African football player. Yeah, his name Bombo Kalazi. Some people are telling me, no, don't call him Bombo Kalazi, call him TLB. Why should I call him TLB? Why? Why should I call him TLB? His name is Bombo Kalazi. That's how I'm going to address on him.
All right, Coach. Did you see the clip?
And Taffy? He wants to ask you something.
Grand
Uthi yini le esigurelayo ngoku South Africa neNigeria ngoba uyabona kuyaliwa la njalo masihlangana kuyaguriwa enhlekini.
So iKorea to Nigeria iqala last thatha khona iAfcon.
Yeah.
Angithi Nigeria benga participate at that time ngoba beyibheniwe.
Yeah.
And bokuyiba ama champions. So bona bakleyima ukuthi hayi nina iCup sasekitha nilithathanga kithi ngoba silidefendanga. So nina nwene elinye iCup salwela leyo nto leyo na Nigeria. So ikwalabo liqala from lapho ukuthi bokwama previous champions before thina sizoba ama champions.
Okay.
So manje thina masilwina iCup yabo kusasena leyo nto leyo namanje basakhuluma leyo nto leyo ukuthi hayi phela nina ningakhohlwa na wina iCup ukuthi thina besingekho. So thina nina inhleki nisasikweleta.
Iliga thina le Cup esalwina ngoba uthi wena bathi iCup liku.
Elilaka 95. Angithi phela kumele babe khona as ama defending champions.
Yeah,
so if ever bahluleka bakhona lapho at least is something.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Coach. Okay, now let's talk about Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. 4 times champions in a row. Yeah.
I was watching the Orlando Pirate game, and I saw them play, but problem, it was scoring goals.
Ama games are tactically, ama games are more interesting to watch. Njengale game le last Saturday. So coach ubonisile superior, ukuthi it's very superior, and once again it's complimenting ne technical team yasishaya ispan as bengisho na last futhi ukuthi technical team yasishaya ispan, more especially high performance analyst yethu Ryan Jacobs. Most of the times if kuba na something ezokwenzakala egamini report uya ama moment uyaya ku coach afika amkhulume no coach amtshele something from ku Jose Rivero bekayenza same thing. If makubheda ubona ukuthi kuyabheda and then uyakwazi ukuthi aye ku Jose afika amtshele something and then from lapho uJose uzosukuma ayenza something, but most of the time bahlala benza ama sub lawo bawenzayo angithi basuke sebabonile and then lawo ma sub abawenzayo ayahlala basebenzela ngoba lento yenzakala Saturday ku coach Owadu ayiqala ukwenzakala kuyi-final ngoba nalast kwi-final technical change eyenza kwi-Nedbank Cup, technical change eyenziwa uJose Rivera introduce uMfukeng isuka from kuphi kuye uRJ makazo approacha uJose ambonise something ebekangayiboni egameni and then uJose makathi uyayibheka lento uyayibona immediately ubiza abantu uMfukeng umnikeza instruction. uMfukeng ungena egameni wenzani uthatha that instruction and then execute that instruction uJose amgaya yona and then sithola igoli leyo goli lelo liswinisa iCup. So that's why ngithi mina ngicompliment kakhulu i-technical team yethu kuma win wonke, not to say maybe ku Cup games kuphela but nacho nakuma games lawe league esiwawinayo most we notify that thing le awutake a piece le emfishane, it's very dangerous.
I do understand. So Stellenbosch wona webone kanjani engathi nathi kule podcast wonke umuntu yasho ukuthi ayilezi ayitheke amabhakani yafela ayithina ayitheke amabhakani no Stellenbosch uzibona isidlala jwang sona grand
No Stelis besidlala beba good ba very good banama player good like abo Titus abo Dijong, you understand, abo Moloisane and then abo Mdaka banama player good. So nabo ukuthi bashaye nje yini iplanning yabo yabo na the way Steve Barker akhulume ngakhona before igame uyabona ukuthi enhleki nje ukuthi hayi utshele uthi uzolungisa le ya 3 ya previous yase league athi uzoyilungisa la iPirates ngibonile and ayiqala ukwenzakala ngoba ngikhumbula no coach we le team yaseBotswana iPirates ayidlala nayo ku i-CAF Champions League naye angidwoza ngalomqondo ukuthi hayi iPirates ngiyayazi iPirates ngibonile ijwaning and then bahamba wrong uyabona le nto le isukukwatisa technical team yethu mawuzothi yasazi and then beza bashisa ngoba kusuye ukuqala ngathi khona omunye weyeza naye washelela kwahamba kabi wakhuluma ukuthi iPirates ngiyayazi and then kwabheda makufika lapha yana zange safana the way bekasitshele ngakhona naye.
Hayi so babona nabo beStellenbosch ngathi bayadlala Wednesday ne back to league. Yeah ngathi bane game Wednesday mara mobabhekile for le game ezokwala ngazi ukuthi badlala nani. Are they gonna still perform good or for ukuluza le cup lena no moya vele uwile?
No angeba umoya mabahlakaniphile ngoba baluza against the best team yabo. So kwabo nje ukuthi nje ba pick up laba bamisa bekhona and then balungise babuyele kwi next game ba on fire ngoba hayi bona badlala good bona yabo ama team amaningi vele hayi angeke azabamela.
So coach Sundowns yona igame uyibonile
ukuthi nje besinama games izolo besiwadlala so azange ngithola ichance ukuthi ngibheke igame eSundowns.
Oh benidlala izolo. Nidlale kanjani from ama local vele sivale ngokuthi nidlale kanjani
izolo sidlale grand silwinile igame la izolo siwine 4-3 besihlala ne team local team nayo prepare nakhona futhi for SAP ngoba next week soqala ukudlala iNetbank. So ama last games lawo ama preparation nokuthi sifinalize iquad zethu so then siwazi ukuqala ukuregister ke ngoba ngeke uzovela uqala uregister ama player without ukuthi wa assess properly and then ubanikeze that chance phela ukassess akusile into ukuthi mhlambe siya trialisa nje for one day, you understand. So we assess ama player sikhona ukubona lento le esifunayo ngoba everything it depends kwi philosophy. So angeke uzodlale ngeplayer olibonayo ukuthi angeke lize lifite ku the philosophy le engiyifunayo. Into enza ukuthi ama team awin ama structures abe strong ukuthi babe naleyo philosophy and then ne vision aba.
All right coach before kwala man Orichelo re mobane neledlala ground unyefi.
Besidlala imletsana isikhathi Razor before igame emapeta youth ne
nelemletsana. So this coming game iyalona etlabele kokayi.
No asikakabi sure ngamunye game sizoyidlala this week ukuthi sizodlala kuphi but I hope maybe sizoba local ngoba ama team nje adlala SAP no sewamaningi la ekhasi so akusekho difficult ukuthi senze nje something constructive to play and then sikhona prepare ama team.
Yeah hi thank you coach.
Sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikaMaminzeli isigodi. Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngedisk asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustana idisk adlalile idisk that's why siringa ngedisk. Yes ya yibo ngidijane lawa.